In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password of your account on Ameris Bank if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then simply type in amerisbank.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Ameris Bank. Now, if you have forgotten your user ID as well, you can simply click on the Forgot User ID button right at the home page. Or you can type in your username and click on the sign in button and you will be taken to the login portal. Now, once you're in the login portal, you will need to type in your security code, which will be sent to you through a text message or a phone call. Click on Continue with Security Code, and then you have to select among two different options. First, select your registered phone number, and then select whether you want to be called or texted. Then you can click on the Continue button, and you will receive a code, which you can type in on the next option, and then after that you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Simply go ahead and select your new password, and then you can log into your account using your new password and your user ID. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on Ameris Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.